5th, 2019. It's a Sunday. And so today, I think I didn't use a lot of plastic. And compared to all the other days, I think Sundays are the least amount of days that I use plastic. That's because I don't go out to eat food a lot, and the places I usually go eat food provide a lot of plastic. But my plastic that I used today was mostly snacks. Like lunch, I didn't use any plastic. Breakfast, my mom picked up Starbucks for me and got me a Starbucks drink and a sandwich, but that Starbucks drink was plastic. So, and the other stuff was like drinks in aluminum, like that. I had no styrofoam today, so I'll show you what I had. All of this included the drink and some snacks down there. So I think I did good. So I thought I used way less than I expected, so yeah. So today, day 2, I realized at school that I use a lot more plastic since we have a snack during the day that's usually contained of plastic, and then I usually have a snack after school that is a bag of some sort of food that has plastic. At school, I used only 2 cups today. I think I would have used a lot more, but I realized I should use less, and I used 1 fork, which I think is good. And I had some snacks and stuff from all the other stuff, but I think at the end of this I'll maybe have an amount of 30 or more, about 30. I know I'll exceed more than 30, but the trash that I've had today and yesterday is this. There's all this stuff, like 2 cups and stuff. I think I did very well compared to what I thought I was gonna do. So I think I'm gonna get about 35 recycled plastic. It is currently day 3 right now of tracking your plastic and collecting it. So I definitely used way more plastic than styrofoam. I didn't even use styrofoam once. So that is because I think that plastic can shape way better than styrofoam, because styrofoam's like a thick stuff, and it's like hard to shape. And so the plastic that I've done so far that I've collected is from day 1 through day 3 isn't that much as I thought. Because I stacked all the plastic cups that I used, and I realized that these plastic cups aren't all the same size, and then there's just some snack packaging there. All my plastics have been really from my snacks, so, and like luncheon cups and silverware, not really like my main meal at all. I've had like ice cream with it, but so yeah, day 3. It's day 4 of me collecting plastic for this week, and so I think most of my plastic is coming from my snack and lunch, because my snack is mostly consist of plastic because it's usually like goldfish or like a snack that is usually in a plastic bag or contains a plastic bag. And then at lunch, cups and silverware are usually plastic because at school it's hard to find stuff that isn't plastic at school, like because you need water and the water cups there are plastic, and so I collected that. So the trash I've used this week, I think I've been doing well too, and the trash I've used this week is this. All of this here. So I think I've been doing well with collecting plastic, and I thought I was collecting way more than I expected. So it is day 5 right now of me collecting plastic for a week, and I think that the good things of collecting my plastic is I know how much plastic I use in a week, and after the challenge is done, I can decrease on my plastic that I use. But the challenge is collecting your plastic and not throwing the plastic away that you used. Some might be left out, but you try to count it in, and it might not be in your trash can, but it can show. So the plastic I've used today is this much. I didn't use a lot. I think I did good. I used 5 pieces of plastic, which I think is really good, which I would probably use 7 per day. So yeah. Day 6 right now, and as my container is getting bigger, my trash bag, I feel that this plastic challenge really shows how much plastic I have used and make me use less plastic, and I will be more cautious of what I use. So the plastic I've used so far over the 6 days is all of this. I have a lot of cups, but those cups I haven't used on day 6. I didn't use a lot on day 6. On day 6, I only used 2 water bottles because I was really thirsty, and I only had a package of Cheez-Its, which I think is very good. So yeah, I think this challenge can make you realize that you can reduce plastic on how much plastic you use in a week. It's day 7 right now, and over the past few days or weeks that I've done this project, I've collected 40 pieces of plastic and styrofoam, 1 styrofoam, and 39 pieces of plastic. I think that's good because I thought I would collect way more. This can show if you can reduce plastic and help the environment by using less plastic and plastic that you can reuse that you had already. So the plastic I've used in total is this. So I used the styrofoam case, I had some snacks. I didn't have a lot of stuff. I think I did pretty good. And on the chart that I have for day 7, it doesn't have a lot. I usually have at least 2 food packagings a day. So I think I did good, and I will stop reducing plastic that I use.